Hi, my name's Tom. This is my new full bed size wedge pillow. It is really great. It helps me sit up straight. I really like it, and I'm going to tell you all about it. So what this is a giant wedge pillow that helps you sit up more in bed. Maybe you do it for comfort. Maybe you do it because you want to go ahead and read or use a laptop. I'll show you all that. This particular pillow comes as my queen size bed, so it's queen size. You can get single, you can get king, queen. This is the queen size one. I want to show you a couple cool features about it right off the bat. You do have a little handle over here so you can just kind of pick it up and pull it off the bed if you don't want it on the bed all the time. You do have a little pocket on the side, on both sides, for things like reading glasses or remotes if you want to use it that way. And at the very top, you do have these pillows up here. Now you notice they are actually held on with buttons and Velcro, or I'm sorry, elastic. They will actually come off. So I can slip it down there and just not even worry about it. I can flip it this way and I can actually use it. Or I can just bother to take them off if I don't really want them at all. And here's what it looks like when I'm using it. I'm about 6 foot tall, and it's very, very comfortable for me. I don't see anybody shorter or tall; it'll be fine. Worst comes to worst, if you're 7 foot how tall, 8 foot tall, just put another pillow back here and it'll work just fine. I'm not that tall; I don't need it. As you can see, I actually sit up straight pretty well. I can use my knees like this if I want to, but I just kind of stretch out like this. You can easily, it's great for watching TV. Just kind of sit up without actually falling over. You don't have to worry about your glasses. If you have different angled glasses, you can look straight ahead and you can do something. I've used my laptop with this before. Sometimes I'll sit here and I'll go ahead and work my laptop. Obviously, I read a lot. I have a little nightstand right here, and I just go ahead and I put my tea on the nightstand. I pull it up, I drink the tea, and I put it back down, and I can sit up without pulling myself up each and every time, without getting myself woken up. I can just kind of sit here and do my stuff in my bed, nice and comfy. It's almost like turning your bed into a couch because it does make it that comfortable. It really, really does. Now, obviously, you can leave this thing on the bed, or you can actually just pick it up and move it to the side. You can put it on the floor. You can use that handle. It is big. It does come in a compressed package. So when you get it, you're going to say, wow, that's really small. You open it up, and the compressed air kind of lets it out, and you give it about 24 hours to inflate, to kind of uncompress. Honestly, for me, it only took an hour or two, and I was ready to use it, and I did. And it looks great. It feels good. I really like it. What I typically do is I leave this up here for most of the time, and then what I do is I have pillows that I will go ahead and sleep on. So I'll slide myself down a little bit. I'll sleep on this pillow, and I'll leave this here, and that's perfectly fine for me. Overall, this is a really, really cool pillow. I like it a lot. It does make it much more comfortable. It makes my whole bed much more usable. I have an apartment right now where I don't have a lot of couch space. I don't have a lot of sitting space. So sometimes I just want to sit up and I turn my bed into kind of a couch situation where I can sit and go. You will need a wall or a bedboard behind it. It's not rigid enough to stand up on its own. Just lean it against it. But because it has that weird angle, it has that like a triangular angle, it will go ahead and it's thicker at the bottom, thinner at the top. It does give you a nice sloping upwards. It is very comfortable. It's light enough to kind of move it around. The stuffing is fairly thick, fairly good. I think it's going to hold up a good long time. I've had it for about 2 or 3 weeks now, and I really, really like it. This is just a great pillow for support, for keeping yourself up, for making your bed into something it's not normally turned out to be, kind of a sitting area. Just really highly recommended.